Hi, this is Jasmine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be my first video entry in YouTube, and it's all about swimsuit haul for the mom buds, since I have 2 kids na.
So here they are.
This January, I bought around 12 swimwears online and in stores. So, lahat yon with my husband's approval. Later, I'm going to show you some photos of me wearing those swimwears. And if medyo sipagan si husband, he's going to take videos of me wearing those swimwears. So, yon, start na natin ang ating swimsuit haul for the mom buds. Here are the 12 pieces of swimwears I bought online and in stores. The first batch that I am going to show you are the ones I got from Shopee. These are the swimwears I got from Shopee. Shopee. So, the first that I am going to show you is this design. Actually, for this one, super sexy niya kasi kita yung side boob. So, I got this one in maroon and black. Here. So, yung tela niya is makapal. Kaso, I think medyo mahaba yung straps niya sa akin kasi maliit na babae lang ako. Tapos, I can alter it naman since marunong ako manahe. Then, I have 2 concerns with this swimwear. One is, yung foam niya, medyo malaki. I think kasi okay siya for medyo bigger boobs. And then, yung another concern is, the inner lining, medyo parang malapad yung inner lining. So, parang medyo awkward pag suot na. Pero I think okay naman. So, this is the third design I got from Shopee. So, yun. It's a color blocking swimwear. Color blocking swimwear. I got this one in medium size kasi ang sabi dun sa mga bumili, the reviews mga bumili, I should get this swimwear 1 size bigger than my size. So I got medium. So feeling error lang ako next one. So I got this one in medium. So yun, medyo putok pa rin. I don't know if if mataba lang ako right now or if maliit na talaga yung sizing niya. So ayun, nag-message ako dun sa seller if I can replace it to a large one. And pumayag naman siya. So, mabait si seller. So, yun, nag-request ako. Pero, hindi ko pa nababalik. I ordered another one ulit na large size. So, ayun. This one is the large one. Yan. So, for the large one, actually, okay naman yung fitting niya. Kaso, feeling ko hindi lang siya talaga sexy tingnan sa akin. Kasi nga, parang ang straight ng body ko. Walang curve. So, siguro kailangan ko pang more exercise. If I'm going to wear this one. Yan. So, later, I'm going to try this one then. Yan. Cute din naman siya. Pero yun lang, parang conservative type swimwear. So yun, that's the first batch of my swimwear. And then, the next one is from Zaful. These are the 3 swimwears I got from Zaful. The first one is, I'm more on color black eh. Kasi medyo nakakapayat daw pagka color black. Medyo mataba kasi ako. So this one is a one-sided, one-piece swimwear with a detail sa waist para i-emphasize yung curve ng yung waist. So yun. I've tried this one na, I think medyo malaki lang yung side niya dito, yung sa part na to. Or if ever naman na nakabra ko, I think okay yung fitting niya. So kasi kapag nakabra ka, medyo additional boob yun.
Boob talaga?
Boobs pala. Ayun. So if not naman, if medyo maluwag pa din, I can alter it by, yan, sewing this part. Yan. I think okay din naman siya. Tapos medyo cheeky din. Yan. So this is the first one. So the second swimwear is this green polka dot swimwear. Super nice nung print niya. Ang ganda din ng tahi. Unfortunately, malaki siya sa akin. I got this one in small. Yan, so small. Sabi kasi, true size siya. So, I got it in small. So, ayun, medyo malaki pala siya. Sayang, ganda pa naman ng tahi. So, I think, okay to sa akin if nakuha ko is extra small.
Baklang to!
So, I think mabibigay ko to sa sister ko kasi medyo gifted.
Yung
Yes. Kesa sa akin. Yan. Ganda pa naman. So, yun. This is the third swimwear I got from Zaful. So, it's in blue-green ata yung color niya. Yan, this one. Ang ganda ng bust area niya. Maganda yung fitting. Tapos, this is the likod part of the swimwear. Actually, okay yung fitting niya in front. Pero, once na i-adjust mo na, medyo kumukulubot yung likod niya. Pero, okay pa din daw, sabi ng husband. Yan, super nice nung color niya. Promise. This one is worth it. So, among the 3 swimwears I got from Zaful, ito yung dalawa na gustuhan ko. But, ito yung pinakabit ko. Kasi, ito may medyo i-adjust pa ako. So, for this swimwear, ligwak.
Ligwak!
So, these are the third batch of swimwears I got. Actually, sa Walter Mart ko na siya nakuha. yun yung medyo mahirap sa akin eh. If ever na ako yung magsusundo sa bagets ko, sa anak ko, nag-stroll muna ako sa mall if ever na maaga ako. So, since medyo may lakad kami, may swimming kami, yun, tumingin ako ng swimwear. Tapos, okay naman, okay yung mga fitting niya, kaya kinuha ko. So, the first one is this. This is a two-piece swimwear. Actually, not literal na two-piece kasi this is, dalawang peraso two-piece. So, this is a bandeau top na adjustable sa likod. Yan. And then, paired it with this high-waisted na panty. Yan. So, may detail din siya. Actually, maganda yung fitting niya, pero hindi lang siya talaga super sexy tingnan. Yan. So, this is the first one. And then, the second one is this color blue ulit. Medyo type yung color blue because I think this is the color of the year. So, ayan, it's a one-piece ruffled swimwear. Actually, medyo iba yung pagka-blue nilang dalawa. Pero parang maganda. Yan. Maganda din. Hindi siya ganun kakita yung puwet. Yan. Maganda siya. Super nice na fitting. Then, adjustable din yung strap niya. Tsaka maganda yung tahi. The third swimwear that I'm going to show you is also a two-piece swimwear. Anyway, this first swimwear, meron din siyang strap. So, you can crisscross the strap, ordinary spaghetti straps, or tube top. Tube top. So, yun. So, this is the third swimwear that I am going to show you. Actually, this is the super sale na swimwear na nakuha ko. Super good deal talaga siya. So, it's parang tangkini top. Ewan ko, halter top with gold detail. Yan. Tapos, medyo kita yung cleavage here. Yan. So, mamaya makikita nyo. Ayan, kita yung cleavage mo. Tapos, maganda yung fitting niya. You can put your pads. Yan. Tapos, this is in small size. Tapos, ang maganda dito kasi, pumayag yung sales lady na kunin ko yung
XL size.
Actually, XL yung panty. Yan. Yun. XL yung panty. Kasi yung small niya, parang kasya lang siya sa leeg ko. So, yun. Anyway, ang natira na lang kasi small and XL. So, sabi ko, sige, try ko nga yung XL. Eh, yung nagkasya. Parang feeling ko. So, yun. Anyway, yun. Maganda din siya i-partner with different swimwears, which is yung rash guard ko or yung other mga parang t-shirt type na swimwear. So, yun. Ito siya. Maganda siya, promise. So, for these three swimwears, parang it only cost me around less than 2,000 pesos. It's around 1,900 pesos. Anyway, the brand is Sasa. It's a local brand ata eh. Yan. The brand is Sasa. And then yun nga, yung body ko is small size lang sa kanila. So, yun. This is the three swimwears from Sasa. Super nice din mga fitting, promise. The last swimwear that I'm going to show you is this one. It's from 8 Mermaid. I got this one in Instagram. Actually, nag-message ako through Instagram. And then, meron silang website. Yun, which you can choose different designs. Actually, ang ganda niya. Yan. Super nice. Na-in-love talaga ako. Kasi nakita ko, medyo, hindi naman ako super into mga celebrities. Pero nakita ko, ang ganda talaga ng fitting niya. And then the design, yan, super worth it. Ganda pa ng color. Yan. Medyo kasi gusto ko yung medyo kita yung cleavage pag naka-swimwear, tapos kitang-kita yung shape ng katawan. Although medyo mataba ako talaga.
Ulit-ulit ang
So, yun. I got this one. I think the name of this swimwear is Dawn. Yan. I got this one from 8 Mermaid. Ulit. Yan. Ang ganda ng fitting niya. The strap is adjustable. And then, yung sa may butt area niya, medyo cheeky siya talaga. So, yun. I got this one in small size. And maganda talaga yung fitting niya. Tapos, when you buy a swimwear from 8 Mermaid, you're going to receive one of this. Ito yung packaging niya. Yan. Meron siyang kasama parang eco bag with strap. This is reusable. So, yun. I got this one. I think this is available in different colors. So, the price is medyo mataas. It's around 2,300 ata. Parang it's equivalent to 4 swimwears, which I got from Zaful, plus 3 from Zaful, plus 1 from Shopee. So, that's total of 4 equals to the price of this one. Pero promise, super worth it siya talaga. Instagrammable. Yan. Ang ganda pa ng detail niya, oh. Yan. So, yun. So, yun. Ito na siya. 12 swimwears. So, I'm going to try it on later. We're going to take photos. Or, if ever, magte-take ng video yung husband ko. Pagka gising pa siya. So, yun. So far, favorite ko among the swimwears I got this January is this one talaga. Yan. Super promise. Ang ganda talaga ng fitting niya. So, again, this is from 8 Mermaid. Yun. Actually, when buying swimwears, parang mas recommended ko if you can fit the swimwear para makita mo sa may butt area or kung adjustable ba, compared if you're going to buy online. Kasi yun nga, kapag online, medyo hindi siya true size or yun, medyo pangit yung tela. Tapos, one thing, if you're going to wear swimwear, parang ako kasi the last time na nag-swimming kami, I put nipple tape. So, para if ever naman nakita talaga yung cleavage, hindi, pag na-deform, pag na urong-urong yung mga swimwear, Parang meron ka nipple tape, so hindi talaga makikita yung nipple mo. So, yun. Wait, I'm going to try it on na. Tapos na ako mag-fit ng mga swimwears. Nakita nyo na yung mga photos or videos of me wearing those swimwears I got online or in stores. So, sana meron kayo nagustuhan dun sa mga sinukat ko. And if you find na medyo hindi bagay sa akin kasi medyo mataba ako ngayon.
So sorry.
So, yun. Pero medyo nagda-diet-diet na ako ngayon. So, yun. Yung mga swimwears na to actually, type din ng mga husband ko. Type naman niya, with consent naman niya, nasuotin ko yung mga swimwears. So yun, so I'm happy. This is the end of my first video. And since I am new here on the YouTube world, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like this video, and share it to the whole world. So yun, thanks for watching!